This patent new 3D electric toothbrush with double head design, bringing you a new experience, a simple operation. Just press the switch to automatically brush teeth equipped with high-speed motor. The toothbrush head rotates at a high speed of 200 revolutions per minute, low noise during operation. Quiet and comfortable. Noise less than 50 decibels. The toothbrush head rotates at high speed. Cleans teeth at 30 seconds. And the three-dimensional double brush head has higher cleaning efficiency. The cleaning speed is 6 times that of the ordinary toothbrush. Double-sided brush head can effectively clean the teeth in depth and truly achieve deep cleaning without dead corners. The brushing method is unique. The occlusal brushing method. The outer ring bristles are responsible for cleaning the inner and outer sides of the teeth. And the inner ring bristles are responsible for cleaning the top surface of the teeth. At the same time, 6 surfaces are cleaned, without missing any area. Occlusal brushing does not damage the gums, avoiding the damage of the bristles of the toothbrush to the gums when brushing up and down, and effectively protecting the health of the gums. 2 modes to meet different people need. Advanced wireless induction charging port. Fast charging speed. Long battery life.